Welcome to Asyn Code. The best way to learn coding is by staying engaged. Like and subscribe for more. Imagine you are baking a batch of cookies, and you have a recipe for each type of cookie. Nested list comprehensions in Python are like baking multiple batches of cookies at once, each with its own specific ingredients and steps. Just as you have an outer loop to iterate over the different cookie recipes, and an inner loop to follow the steps for each recipe, nested list comprehensions allow you to create complex data structures by iterating over multiple levels of data. It's a concise and powerful way to build lists within lists, creating intricate patterns and transformations in a single line of code. This Python code effectively sorts a list of chocolate types into sublists based on their unique flavors. It utilizes a nested list comprehension to achieve this. The outer loop iterates over each distinct flavor, while the inner loop filters the original list to include only chocolates matching the current flavor. This results in a well-organized output, where each sublist contains chocolates of the same type, providing a clear and concise solution to the chocolate sorting problem. This list stores the type of chocolate for each piece. This nested list comprehension creates a new list with sublists. Each sublist groups chocolates of the same type. Outer loop iterates through each chocolate type. Inner loop creates a sublist for each type, adding chocolates that match. Explanation. Chocolate_types. This list holds the type of each chocolate, caramel, hazelnut, etc. Outer loop. The for flavor in set, chocolate_types. Part iterates through each unique flavor in chocolate_types. Set chocolate_types removes duplicates, ensuring we only create a sublist for each distinct flavor. Inner loop. The chocolate for chocolate in chocolate_types if chocolate equals flavor. Part acts like a filter within the outer loop. It iterates through all chocolates, chocolate_types, and adds only those that match the current flavor, to the sublist. Result. This code creates a new list, sorted_chocolates, containing sublists. Each sublist groups chocolates of the same type, caramel, hazelnut, and mint in this example. Now run our code. Quick reminder, if you are finding this content helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. It only takes a second, and it really helps me create more awesome coding content for you. Thanks so much for your support. Let's get back to coding.